Hi guys, Xiaomi run new update HyperOS 1.5. This global version smartphone Poco F6 Pro update, Poco F6 global and Xiaomi 14 Ultra new optimized HyperOS for smartphone Xiaomi, Redmi and Poco. What is new and new feature and new performance? In this video, subscribe my YouTube channel technosmart. Let's go. 1. Optimization system. Optimization memory used to improve to smoothness of TikTok. Next, optimization improved system recovery strategy when app to change app smoothness. Next, new startup animation and update security patch to July 2024 in create system security. Next, control center failed to work. If not work, toggle for smartphone Xiaomi, Redmi and Poco. This update very good work. Lock screen optimization and new feature. How to work lock screen, press and hold lock screen and set up lock screen. Many variant. Old version I need main menu. Next, wallpaper, lock screen and set new lock screen. New update, click lock screen and very good work. Next, security update optimization score calculate result to improve and status bar and notification. New feature gallery AI function edit. New function bottom 3-point click manage plugins. Download, connect to internet and feature crop AI expansion. Generate image AI function, weight and variant. No AI effect, AI effect. Next feature create erase, erase variant and version pro. Manually testing, set, example, start, wait, time and variant, old image and new AI. And next, remove people AI function pro version. Testing, click and select all. Start, AI function delete, wait. And this variant, AI function background image. Old variant, new variant. Very good work, AI function. Next, bokeh AI function add. Menu variant and blur. Example, relaxed, motion variant. And this update new performance. Old update internal memory and RAM count. New update HyperOS 1.5 global version. Internal memory read new count and old count. Write and RAM new update, old update. Quickly RAM and internal read. And count 122 application testing old update, example smartphone Poco F6 Pro and new update. Performance count add performance, but maximal speed smartphone security battery balanced performance mode and testing maximal speed count. This update run application quickly application and maximal relaxed animation, but need main settings more and relaxed animation speed. My smartphone Poco, new Poco launcher version by HyperOS 1.5 global. My Telegram technosmart link will be in the info box download and very good work HyperOS all version. how new update, write in the comments. See you and new videos.